Yeah.
Clubhouse is a wild place, guys. Over here, if you have to have a good time laughing, be over there. If you want to have a
My
good time
goodness.
learning, well, I have second opinions because I don't know. Very few chat rooms are actually good and informative, but most of it is are filled with places, filled with people who just want to talk. And that day I was in a club in a house. I still don't know how to call that one particular place where people meet up. I think
Room.
room. Yes. So I was in that room and there was one lady. I think she was in her late 50s and guiding people about how to improve spoken English. And this is a field where I have some expertise in. So I straight up pointed out that what she's trying to say does not really help anyone.
That was my clubhouse, if you're
All right.
forgetting that.
Now, I recently had Sarah Jane on Momentum podcast.
Yeah.
And when she talks about how you improve your confidence, your personality, your speaking skills, it will make sense. Like, okay, if I do this, it will work out. You try it, it will help you. It helped me as well. But there are some people who are just repeating some words and sentences, and you will feel that, yeah, that kind of makes sense, but does not really when you actually try it out. Right.
Yeah.
So there are just a lot of people just blabbing out over there.
Yeah, it's like it was supposed to be a very good platform.
Yeah,
But
idea is good kind of, but I don't
yeah,
like that there is no video.
it's okay. Like some people are not comfortable with video on
You
talking
can
to some
always turn
random
it
people,
off,
especially girls. I will not be talking to a random person with my
hmm.
video on,
But you'll
frankly
talk with
speaking.
your audio on.
What? Yeah, I'll talk with my audio on. You
All
can
right.
see the difference.
Okay, but you're
Lot of
talking to a lot of random people over here.
yeah, I can do that, but for
Common girl.
yeah, but for
Hmm.
my safety purpose, for being a private
Yeah,
person
that makes
socially,
sense. That makes sense.
yeah, I'll
You
not
don't
do
want
that.
your
Yeah, I'll not.
pictures and all.
Yeah, I don't know what that person, how that person will
Hmm.
react, and how I don't know about that person, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So I'll not be risking that out. Plus, I feel that audio is more comfortable. Like you're lying down in your bed, you're just chilling up in bed, and
Yeah.
you can just start your
Or
clubhouse and
moving
you can start
around,
talking.
traveling.
Yeah,
Yeah.
anywhere.
The idea is good. The idea
Yeah.
is something that will gain traction, which brings me to the next point. There are a lot of other apps are also bringing it. For example, Spotify just brought it. Another thing called Green Room. Exactly the same. I got
Clubhouse.
exactly the same. The philosophy is exactly the same. That there will be rooms where people will be talking, and others will also. I'm pretty sure that Facebook is going to walk in. That's what Facebook does. Whatever is popping
It
right
just
there,
purchases everything, no?
just jump over there. That's it. That's Mark Zuckerberg in a nutshell. But yeah, Facebook itself was kind of like very much similar to MySpace or Orkut. Very much similar, actually. It was not very original in the first place.
Okay, I've never used Orkut.
Yeah, because you're too young, Komal. You're too young. If you have lived as long as me, you would know about Orkut.
But I feel you'll live longer than me.
Yeah, I was born in 1800s. Yeah. Okay, so we
Yeah.
have we have some other
Okay,
topics
so
over here as
let's
well.
just discuss some pragmatic approaches
All right.
regarding it.
You're going to get a lot of heavy words over here because Komal
I'm
tired.
playing the same game, by the way. You can also play it up.
She's
Y-
playing
Yeah, but you are also playing it. Then why are you not using it? I
because
can see you writing words here and there nowadays.
yeah, I just use it in my writing. That's it.
You should use it verbally
Speaking
too.
of writing, I'm in my
Okay.
second last chapter.
Let's keep our this conversation apart and let's discuss like how do you see Clubhouse now and what can be the future?
Yeah, that is a good question.
Yeah.
I think it will definitely be a big thing. There's absolutely no doubt because
Yeah.
because there's nothing like that was available before. It is the first time they have made a very stable platform. People are going. It is addictive. There's no doubt in that.
Yeah,
It was
people call
addictive.
it addictive.
It was addictive to me first time I went over there. That the one thing that makes it addictive is that you are waiting for the turn to speak, especially in the big rooms, like let us say 100 people are over there, so you will be waiting and listening and you'll be raising your hands that I want to speak, I want to speak, right? And since there's no recording, you have to be over there cautious all the time that if someone drops some knowledge, like someone is talking about how to gain more followers on Instagram, you want to gain a lot of followers on Instagram, then you'll be listening to every word. There's no recording of that. So you have to have more amount of what do you call
More amount of what?
concentration. There is a better word for that, but anyways,
Patience also?
yeah, maybe, but you have to listen carefully. That's it.
Also, I feel one more thing. that are you not seeing that positive aspect of it, that people are getting more used to it? Like some people who are very much addicted to Clubhouse, that may be taking a toll on the other professions of them, but if they are considering the communication skills and personality, that is getting, not personality, I can say communication
the
skills
chat
specifically,
rooms
that
are
may be
becoming
enhanced.
the chat rooms are becoming bigger and bigger.
Now, what if you go in the smaller one? That can also serve the same purpose.
That is what I'm saying. Over
Yeah.
time, it gets more hits. It becomes more popular.
Yeah.
Those smaller rooms will not be visible to you. Only the big ones will be the ones promoted by it, because they want bigger audience.
Yeah, but the kind of thing, like the same thing, if you go to YouTube and if you'll search something, suppose if you are searching about a mobile phone, you'll get many options, but if you'll keep going down, if
We
you keep
never do that.
scrolling down,
When was
but
the last time you did
person
that?
who wants it can do that.
Yeah,
right?
but we don't want it. That's the thing. What I'm talking about is majority and what works for the majority.
Yeah.
For a platform to become better, you
Yeah.
have to target the majority. Then ultimately, what they want to do is run ads. And from that,
Yeah.
they want to show retention of the number of people. That's it. That's the simple motto that Instagram also used. The thing where it will shine the most is that you have the maximum amount of retention. Because in Instagram, you have to hold your phone, stop your work. And over here, you can actually kind of continue doing a lot of your work, right? For example, the best would be those boring jobs, like banking jobs or stuff like that, right?
Didn't say that.
I can say that banking people would be agreeing with me. What's the fun in that? I don't know.
That cannot be fun according to you, but people can get offended. Who
Don't
see
get
it
offended, guys.
See it interesting.
I was just having fun. I'm sitting over here in a sleeveless. You can't
Look,
take me
I'm
seriously.
saving you from those clutches.
Yes, Komal, thank you. That's why I keep Komal beside me. Now, coming back to the point, let us say you have a boring job like making rockets for a living. Now, you might have earphones. Like, let us say you are a boring, boring person who makes rocket at NASA. Can I say that? All right. So you will be having earphones and maybe you'll be pretending that you're just listening to music. Meanwhile, you're just listening to Clubhouse and Clubhouse is having your attention, and then people will be running rooms and there will be sponsors over there as well. Maybe Clubhouse will be taking a cut like Anchor does, right? That's how they will be making money.
Clubhouse can also sponsor podcasts too, because it is basically the same way. The way we release
Yeah.
it in audio platforms, you can do it in there also.
Yeah, it just
In more advanced version, they can also think that, because podcast is a big thing in in most
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
countries, not in India, but in other countries, a big thing.
Yeah.
Maybe they can put their hand over in that field too.
That's what Clubhouse basically is. It is a podcast only. So
Yeah.
when the rooms are bigger and bigger, there are basically 3 to 4 hosts, and they are going to keep on talking. And every now and then they might invite some of the people who are listening. But what I think is that it is basically a podcast. When you listen to it, and if the
But
people are
they'll keep it more like more with the timetable like that. Suppose Joe Rogan, he thinks to come over the this platform Clubhouse. So obviously there will be certain time and like that, like a TV channel program. Kind of that.
Yeah. So it
What
has
do you say?
potential.
Yeah,
The only
yeah.
thing that brings potential to it is that it is great to have attention of the audience. It is cheap to maintain actually compared to the video platforms, because you will need terabytes and terabytes of storage to save the videos. When it comes to audios, they're
Yeah.
easy to handle and it will not shut down, it will not hang, it is easier to maintain, and it is massively addictive. Like YouTube brought its audio thing only for the premium users, right? Because a lot of people actually just listen to videos, and that's what Netflix did as well.
Me, I never watch it.
Yeah. So we listen
Yes.
to a lot of videos to save time, and that is the place where it's going to shine. That is probably the reason why other platforms are going to jump in very soon as well.
Yes.
That is the thing about these ideas, that you cannot have copyright over the idea of selling product online, or you can't have copyright over building a website that shows pictures. And this is just an idea, so anyone can start that, and that's when the rich companies comes into the picture. They are going to dive in very fast.
Yes, Ashish. Along with that, what I think that garbage on any platform, it spreads very rapidly. Like
Yeah.
the way Reels was a very good platform, and now I see it's all crap, right? And the same with Clubhouse.
Yeah.
The way garbage is spreading over here, like the way I mentioned, the way